Using life cycle assessment, or LCA, we can quantify the environmental impacts associated with the life cycle of a company, of a product, or of a service. In this project, we are using LCA to determine the environmental impacts of an API, an active pharmaceutical ingredient. Here we are conducting an LCA of an API from raw material extraction to the processing of the raw materials up until the production of the API here at the plant in Aprilia. An LCA is done over 4 steps, and it's an iterative process, allowing for the refinement of the model as the assessor gets more and more knowledge about the system. So the first step is the goal and scope definition. Here we set the goal of the research, what the research boundaries are, as well as the functional unit. And a functional unit is any quantifiable unit with which the product's footprint can be measured. So in this case, it could be 1,000 kilograms of API produced. And this functional unit allows for objective comparison of different product systems.